In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Passwords and click on Google Password Manager. Then tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!